Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We have gathered at the steps of the Capitol today because we realize that anti-Sharia is anti-America, anti-Constitution, and anti-decency and dignity in America. It is xenophobic. It is unfounded fear clothed in garments of respectability. Anti-Sharia is ignorant. It is misguided. It is mean-spirited. And it is on its way out of America because this is what democracy looks like. There's more to being a patriot than wrapping ourselves in the flag and singing God Bless America. We must safeguard our founding principles, defend our sacred heritage, stand firm on the ground that we've gained. And to all of the senators and representatives who are gathered in the chambers today, we must refuse to bow to the golden idol of political expediency. The great pillars of truth on which this nation is founded demand that we remain steadfast against every form of intolerance, inequity, and ignorance that seek to undermine those truths.
May this land continue to be a land of opportunity and freedom.
America is a social contract, it's a political contract. You abide by that contract, then you are a true American. You violate that contract and start acting like America is just for a certain people, for a certain type of religion, then you're violating what America stands for. And that's what it means to be un-American.
So because we took the initiative to come and we organized and we mobilized and we came collectively with our complaints and with our solutions, I believe it made a difference. I definitely would encourage anyone to come. It's a great outlet to express yourself and to become involved in the political process and to enhance your knowledge on the system that regulates all of our lives.